Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NextGen QA. If you want for this Playwright framework, I am using Orange HRM website. So I am automating login and leave module, timesheet, recruitment module. In today's video, we will create a Maven project, understand the pom.xml, Playwright TestNG dependency, create basic structure, and create first test class and run it with testng.x. So I have created Maven project, file new Maven project, and then select dependency of org Apache Maven type. So I have just added it. Then after that I have to give group ID, artifact ID, and then click on finish, and Maven project has been created. So Maven project has like SRC test main and SRC main and SRC test folders are there. So and with that pom.xml by default is created. So pom is like project object model. So this is most important file in Maven project. Maven uses this file to manage dependency, plugins, and project configuration. The group ID represents the organization name, artifact ID is project name, and the version tag is the project version. URL is like either the Git repository or you can give the website name. And dependency is like we need to work on Playwright, so I have to add Playwright dependency latest version, and with that I have to add TestNG also, and with that I have added reports also. So I have added 3 dependencies. So dependency like it's a library file. So like we can search from the Maven repository and just add that dependency to our pom.xml, and like way TestNG also. And then we have to right click on the project, select Maven and update project, click OK, and you can see all downloaded libraries under Maven dependency. When we update the project, it comes to the dependency folder, it creates automatically. I have created few packages there, like base package, listener package, pages package, util package. This all are source main Java, and SRC test Java has like we are automating dashboard, leaves, login, PJM, recruitment, and timesheet. So I have created the test classes in the SRC test Java test package. So pages also have the same pages, and util has a config reader, like we have to read configuration file. For that I have created config reader utility, Excel utility. If when we have to put data in our UI, so we need maintain a Excel file, and to read that Excel file I have used this Excel utility class. Report utility class means we are creating extend reports, so for that, for configuration we need some class, so that is that class. Screenshot util class, this maintains screenshots, and wait util for wait purpose. Listener are used for test ng listeners, and base has Playwright factory and base test, and TestNG XML also. So I will show you one demo. So I have created 1 2 3 4 5 6 classes, but I am taking an example login one. So in login there is a test method login test1, so I have just print out login done. And to run this test class, so we need testng.xml file. So I have created that. For that we have to add doc type suit system, and we have to give DTD file, then suit name, then test name, and then classes I have mentioned. Run this login test. So I am running this. How I am running this? Go to run and go to run configuration. go to TestNG and right click and new configuration. So add the project and in the suite give the XML file and click on run, and this is the way our test will run. TestNG suite, so there is the result login done is coming. So this is the way I have set up all the things. So in the next video we will create a Playwright Factory class and config file reader with base tests. So if you found this series is helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.